Monna Puleng Saleng's future at Orlando Pirates had been decided well in advance, despite speculation and media reports surfacing recently about his 2-year contract extension. Sources close to Buccaneers confirmed that the decision was made as early as February 2024. Saleng, who had an outstanding 2022-2023 season, winning both Players Player of the Season and Last Man Standing accolades at the PSL Awards in May 2023, surprisingly found himself struggling for game time under Jose Rivero. His reduced role led to a speculation that Pirates were considering sending him on loan, especially since he was nearing end of his contract after joining the club from Free State Stars in 2021. However, the plans at Soweto Giants took a turn following Thembi Nkosi Lorch high-profile transfer to Mamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates insiders said losing both Lorch and Saleng in the same window was deemed too costly for the team. Pirates activated the 2-year extension clause in Saleng's contract, at first reported by Soccer Laduma. While his contract situation appears settled, Saleng has been noticeably absent from Orlando Pirates matchday squad since December, when he last featured against Al Ahly in CAF Champions League at Orlando Stadium. Unconfirmed reports suggest that his absence might be linked to a failed overseas move and a contractual dispute within the club, although no official statement has been made on the matter. Currently on his national duty with Bafana Bafana, taking part in CHAN qualifier against Egypt, he played the first leg feature, which he ended in 1-1 draw at Free State Stadium in Bloemfontein. Orlando Pirates fans want to know what is happening with Saleng and Orlando Pirates. Saleng's situation remains one of the most intriguing storylines in the South African football at the moment. Saleng's representative or agency from P Management Sport so far said in the recent statement, this matter involves significant issues at the core of the employer-employee relationship that requires solution. Our clients remain committed to address these matters through the appropriate legal and professional channels. So this story just tells us that there are problems with Orlando Pirates and Saleng. Even though they've activated their 2-year extension, Saleng was told that he's not needed after 2025 season at Orlando Pirates. But we'll see how the story takes a turn. Danko.